Since 2004, we have been committed to developing probiotic solutions for the B2B market, and we are at the forefront of this expanding field. We manufacture products for a wide range of applications within pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and food sectors, collaborating with laboratories and associated distribution centers globally. Whether you are interested in unique, patented strains with characterized mechanisms of action, premium probiotic blends in bulk quantities, or ready-to-market products with easily communicated health benefits, our agile approach allows us to adapt to your needs. More than half of our products are developed in our own facilities, in various innovative formats, including capsules, sticks, oral tablets, and sachets, and delivered in their primary and secondary packaging to ensure ready-to-market products of the highest quality and safety standards. The success of AB-BIOTICS Manufacturing is largely due to our hard-working team and our facilities, which infuse the essence of the firm into the final product. Our manufacturing center has been designed, built, and adapted to optimize our operations performance. We acquired GMP, FSSC 22000, PharmaLab and FDA certificates which ensure product and facility quality and safety. With science at the heart of everything we do, we will continue to offer strains, blends, and market-ready products through robust scientific documentation and excellence in production and quality, meeting the needs of consumers worldwide. AB-BIOTICS, bringing probiotics to life.